Hey everyone, when you are planning to start your online earning journey, it is a good idea to start a digital business. And you can start a digital business without having any specific technical knowledge. Yes, without having knowledge, without having resources or team, you can set up your online digital business and you can start earning immediately. How it can be possible? You can set up a SaaS business, that is a digital business, using ready to use scripts. And at Code Canyon, we have hundreds of scripts that we can choose and start using, just having the code, the script that we can directly purchase at Code Canyon, and we can set up at our hosting, and it is going to be a self hosted solution. Right. So everything can be done within hours and you can launch your business immediately. At this channel Digician, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which we can start our own digital business, and I am sure you are watching videos coming on this channel regularly, right? So in this video we have the Resto Pro, and it is a POS software for restaurant, cafe, hotel and food truck. POS means point of sale. So this is basically a complete ordering and order processing system for restaurants and food courts. And it is very amazing and you can easily install it uh, by following the on-screen documentations, and even we are going to set up all these for you for free. What you need to do, you just need to buy this solution at codecanyon.net through the video description link and get in touch with us by following the links given in the video description, and we can start immediately. Now I'm going to give you complete insight of this solution so that you may understand how you can easily run these operations for POS management and consider yourself as admin or owner of this solution. It can be used in your own restaurant or you can start selling it for your prospective client. The SaaS model for this solution is also available. So let us start exploring Resto Pro, and here I am at the dashboard of admin user, and the dashboard is showing the basic things what is going inside the system. So top selling items, the how many orders are here, the registered customers, repeat customers and all, and I can see multiple links and navigations here. So we have to start at very first point at the very beginning from this setting screen. So this is a complete white label solution. You can name it at your own, you can customize at your own, and yes, you'll get the complete open source at the Code Canyon download, so you can even change the code level. However, it is not required, so we are not recommending in code level changes because it is coming from the original developers itself, and you can start using it directly as it is, right? So you can change the details. So on screen details in the setting menu can be easily changed, and you have to follow the same. You will set the store name, address and basic details, and even the QR menu, like if you are making a menu, view the digital menu, like this is the menu that you can create easily through this application software. This is a web post solution and you can easily create everything, and it is going to be variable because when you are changing the price, it is also going to change the price immediately here. You don't like to be dependent on prints and all, right? So you can download the QR code here for the menu, and the QR code will work like a digital menu, and your customers are going to use that QR code for ordering the food stuffs, right? The print setting, in the print setting, we have the enable print option, so store details, so customer details, or the format, the size of paper we can set here, and the header area we can decide footer what you want to show, so notes or the print token. So we can enable the print token for the restaurant, like when order receives. The token can be printed and that can be used in the kitchen, or the customer can carry that token for a moment, or that token can be used further for getting the food items, right? Table settings will give us to create new tables, table first and whatever you want to keep the name of tables at the restaurant. So it is easily customizable. You can add tables, rower, and the seating capacity and all. So you can create unlimited tables as available in your restaurant. In the next setting, we have menu items, and we can again add unlimited menu items here. So what is being cooked at the restaurant can be easily added as a menu items. You can add new menu items, and I'll show you one. So you can upload the pictures. Definitely you are going to update the price, net price, category, and all, and the title, the price, the net price, or the selling price. You can add here the category. You can select, you can create unlimited categories as well, the tags applicable, so the variants if you are willing to add new variants. So you can add new variants as well, so you can delete the variants in case it is not available at the restaurant. And even and the add-ons can be added. So it is very important screen where you are going to add the variables, the food items that is available under our restaurant. And it is the main screen. It also helps in a menu and the POS and everywhere. So food items are main thing for a restaurant, of course. The next screen is tax setup. The applicable taxes can be set up here, and you can add new taxes as applicable in your area. The payment types, okay, so you can of course have the online payments, cash and credit cards, and you can of course add unlimited number of payment system as well. So you can add a new payment system. So like QR code you can allow to have, or since it is a POS, you are going to collect the payment, and there you can use the QR code. UPI basically very popular in India. Everywhere there is UPI, so you can collect payment directly from the guest, and the tokens can be processed or the order can be processed accordingly. Once you complete all these settings, you are fine to go, and your restaurant application is ready, and you can directly jump to POS, so point of sale, and you can start taking your order. So the order taking screens gives us multiple options, and we can go to the dashboard and all. So POS, we can switch to the respective sections through this menu item. This is the menu, and we can jump into the respective sections, reservation, customers, invoices, and all. So the main thing that you need to select, first of all, if it is a order walk-in customer, so you can select here walk-in customer, and you can even search the customer or create new customers as well. The dining options, there might be different kind of dining options. Like if it is dining order, so dining order can be selected, and in the case of dine in order, the tables can be selected. As we created tables in the setting screen, so tables can be selected here accordingly, right? So if the dining is, table can be selected. If the delivery, so with the delivery can be selected, and if it is a takeaway, so you can select the takeaway. Further, you can go to direct to the table orders, what is running on the tables, and what is the status of orders, how it is going, and what is the payment status, the time, and the token, and everything can be seen here on the POS screen itself. So how you are going to take the order, the main question. Since it is a restaurant or POS, the application is super fast, and you can process the order super easy, right? So vada sambar I want to take, so I am adding here. Further, I can select the variants, and I can select the add-ons, and I can simply save. So it is added here with the price and all. Further, if I want to take the sada dosa, so it is added. If no variant is here, it will be directly added. And now we have two options. We can either keep it at drop and the reference name, just in case if it order is not being confirmed for the point of time. So you can save it as drop, or if it is ready and you are going to collect the payment and create the, you want to create the receipt and receive the payment, so you can have this option, or you can directly send it to the kitchen depending upon your discussion what is going on the desk, I mean on the front office. So you can simply create the receipt and pay, and collect the payment and send to the kitchen option is here. So it will collect the payment, and the order will be automatically sent to the kitchen. So the order is created, and here is the details. So whatever we selected here, vada sambar and the sada dosa, and the total price is here. And further, this invoice can be printed, token can be printed, right? So if we have enabled the token in the settings, so the token will be available here for print. And now this order is sent to the kitchen. And just in case if you are and randomly clicking the button, it is showing nothing because no order is added here. Like so, similarly, you can go for table orders and the dine out and all those. So the orders are here. All the orders can be seen here when the with the time and the details of order what is ordered here, and the dine out delivery or the dine out delivery or the token status. The dine out basically is the walk-in customer. So all the orders can be seen here, and you can further refresh the screen to get a new orders if it is being processed at the front end. So since I'm using the demo login, so order is not getting saved, I believe. But yes, let us say again. So I am trying to add idli fry masala here, and the price is Q170. And now I'm going to send it to the create a receipt and collect payment and sending to the kitchen, and it is here. So 170, and I'm going to the kitchen and the orders first. So it should be here, and further among the orders we can print the receipt or even cancel the order or complete the order in case it is complete. So if order is prepared, you the front end, I mean on the desk on the table, from where the POS table, you can say, it can be cancelled, completed, or pay and complete. So if it is uh, payment is already done, so it cannot be cancelled because, right? So it is totally configurable, and it is this is like pending, so it can be delivered or the cancelled or complete, right? So it is very easy to use and a very easy to use interface. And similarly, in the kitchen area, whatever order is being taken, so in the kitchen area it will be displayed here. And like the new order, with the new order orders, there will be an option for the kitchen or the safe, so they can click on this start making, and the FO front office will be able to see the status, and further the orders can be seen here. So this is all linked, and the orders can be seen here what is being prepared in the kitchen, and the complete order can be done here, right? So if the orders are being prepared, it can be seen on the POS screen or the orders screen, and not on the POS screen. The order screen will show all the status. Now, so I have shown you the POS orders and the kitchen area. Next is the offerings, which is reservation. So the guest or the customers can book a reservation, book a table at your restaurant. So this is the reservation, the customer name or by phone, and all the reservation can be done for the date, for the selected table, the people count, then the status is booked, paid or cancelled, and for the notes can be added, and new reservation can be made in advance, right? Similarly, we can have the details of customers here. So we can uh, cust- create customers here to make loyalty members and all. So we can have our database of customers. So we can add a new customer very easily by adding phone and name and email. So like when you are running a promotion, this data will help you in running a promotion, giving some special offers to your loyal and repeated customers, right? Next is the invoices. So all the invoices can be seen here. For table invoices, it is marked at table, and if it is walking, so the invoices will not applicable. And like we just created this order, so it invoices is here. So since it was print paid, so I can see the idli fry masala for Q170, right? So all is linked, interlinked data flow is clearly visible, and you can further apply a filter like date and all, right? So invoices can be seen or printed from here as well. The print option has also been given, so you can use this option for printing or sharing on the web, right? Further, for the back office, in case if you want to create the users, you can create new users, so you can add new user here who are going to operate this system. Reports, integral part of any software. So this is the reports net, so showing data for today. So end of the day you can generate report and you can simply uh, know the what is the revenue for today particular day, right? So the run of report is for daily basis, right? And further this data can be filtered. You can use the yesterday data or apply so what were the yesterday sales, or you can even customize the report for a date or time period. And the setting we have already seen. So it is very simple and easy to use interface for POS, and it is a complete end-to-end solution as you see. So you have everything whatever you may think, and it is being regularly updated by the developer itself. So the Resto Pro is also available in the SaaS model. In case if you are planning to launch your business using this application, you can go for SaaS, and this is the SaaS model. And the SaaS model cost is relatively low. It is just $49. You can also follow the same procedure for buying, and uh, installation is totally ours responsibility. So don't worry for installation and all. So we are going to make it live for you, and of course there is no charges for this. So I am adding all the links in the video description. You can start immediately. The first step is to buy the solution at the code canyon, then we can get in touch. So and yes, it is important to follow video description link for buying, because the link is an affiliate link, and we will be able to help you since we are earning as an affiliate of this solution or any other solution that is being displayed on this channel. And here is the screen for the admin of SaaS model. So screens are same and the features are almost same, just some new things like inventory is added in the SaaS model, and the payment mechanism should be here, but I cannot. Okay, so I'll check the settings. Okay, payment types is here. So UPI payment, debit, and the cash. So new payment types are here. Print settings. So there is something to make it in SaaS model, but yes, both the models are available. So you can go with the SaaS or for your users, or you can start selling the solution one by one for your respective clients, right? So this is a very good idea to start this as a digital business, and it is a hard selling item, of course. So if you have any question, write in the comment, or we can get in touch directly through the links given in the video description. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for you through which you can really start a good digital business that can be a permanent source for income for you and for everyone that we are trying. Right? Thank you. Keep watching, keep building.